Imagine tuning into a live stream where your favorite influencer showcases the latest fashion trends, answering questions in real time, and demonstrating products as viewers watch. This is live commerce, a dynamic blend of entertainment and shopping that brings immediacy and authenticity to the online retail experience. Unlike traditional e-commerce, live commerce allows shoppers to interact directly with hosts, receive instant feedback, and make purchases on the spot. This transformative approach is reshaping how consumers discover, evaluate, and buy products, making shopping more engaging and personal than ever before. Welcome to the channel, where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence, business innovation, and emerging trends. Here, we delve into the technologies and strategies that are shaping the future of commerce. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is live commerce, a dynamic blend of live streaming and online shopping. This trend is poised to revolutionize the way consumers interact with brands and make purchases online. In the coming years, live commerce is expected to become a major force, transforming the landscape of digital retail. Live commerce is a modern shopping experience where products are showcased and sold through live video streams. It combines real-time video broadcasting with online shopping, allowing viewers to interact with hosts, ask questions, and make purchases instantly. This engaging format creates a dynamic connection between sellers and buyers, making shopping more interactive and entertaining. Leading platforms like Taobao Live, TikTok, and Instagram have embraced live commerce, driving its widespread popularity. In markets like China, live commerce has already proven highly successful, transforming the way people discover and buy products online. Live commerce has experienced rapid growth due to several key factors. One of the main drivers is the sense of trust that viewers develop through real-time demonstrations and authentic interactions with hosts. Instant communication allows shoppers to ask questions and receive immediate responses, making the experience more engaging and informative. Additionally, the blend of entertainment and shopping creates a dynamic environment that keeps audiences interested and encourages spontaneous purchases. This combination of trust, interaction, and entertainment has transformed the way people discover and buy products online. Live commerce has achieved remarkable success across the globe, with China leading the way. For instance, Chinese influencer Via has sold everything from cosmetics to cars, generating billions in sales through live streaming platforms like Taobao Live. In India, brands such as Myntra have embraced live shopping events, connecting with millions of viewers and boosting sales during major festivals. Small businesses have also benefited, using live commerce to showcase handmade products and interact directly with customers, often reaching audiences far beyond their local markets. These examples highlight how live commerce has become both a powerful tool for large brands and an accessible platform for entrepreneurs worldwide. The live commerce process begins when a host starts a live video stream, showcasing products in real time. Viewers can interact directly, asking questions and receiving immediate responses about the items on display. As the host demonstrates features and benefits, purchase links appear on the screen, allowing viewers to buy instantly without leaving the stream. This seamless integration of entertainment and shopping simplifies the buying journey, making it both engaging and efficient. The result is a streamlined experience that drives quick decisions and boosts sales effectiveness. Live commerce is rapidly emerging as the future of shopping, blending real-time interaction with the convenience of online purchasing. This approach leads to higher conversion rates as viewers can instantly engage with hosts, ask questions, and make purchases on the spot. The human connection fostered during live streams builds trust and authenticity, encouraging impulse buying and reducing hesitation. Transparency is enhanced as products are demonstrated live, allowing shoppers to see them in action before making decisions. Additionally, live commerce aligns with Gen Z preferences for interactive, authentic experiences, making it a powerful tool for brands aiming to connect with younger audiences. Live commerce opens up a world of possibilities for creators, entrepreneurs, and gamers alike. By leveraging live streaming platforms, individuals can showcase and sell products directly to their audiences, creating an interactive shopping experience. Affiliate marketing offers another avenue for earning income, as participants can recommend products and earn commissions on sales generated through their unique links. Additionally, live commerce provides a powerful platform for building a personal brand, allowing creators to connect with viewers in real time and establish trust. These opportunities make live commerce an exciting space for anyone looking to grow their influence and monetize their passions. Live commerce presents several real challenges for creators and brands alike. Building confidence in front of the camera can be daunting, especially for those new to live streaming. Attracting and maintaining an engaged audience requires consistent effort and strategic content planning. Establishing trust is also crucial, as viewers are more likely to purchase from hosts they find authentic and reliable. However, those who overcome these hurdles can unlock significant rewards, including stronger customer relationships, increased sales, and a powerful presence in the rapidly growing world of live commerce. Looking ahead, the future of live commerce promises to be more immersive and interactive than ever before. AI-powered hosts are expected to guide shoppers through products, answering questions in real time and offering tailored recommendations. Virtual reality shopping environments may allow customers to browse and purchase items as if they were physically present in a store, all from the comfort of their own homes. Personalized streams could adapt to individual preferences, showcasing products and deals that align with each viewer's unique interests. Together, these innovations are set to transform online shopping into a highly engaging and customized experience. Live commerce is rapidly shaping the future of shopping, blending real-time interaction with seamless purchasing experiences. By embracing this innovative approach early, businesses and consumers alike can stay ahead of emerging trends and reap the benefits of a more engaging marketplace. Staying connected to the latest developments ensures you won't miss out on new opportunities and insights. Be sure to follow along for more updates and in-depth explorations of live commerce as it continues to evolve.